Hi, I'm Karen Young from Property Zest Buyers Agency and Property Management. I'm here with the 5-minute market update for July 2023 in Brisbane. So looking at the quick stats, listings are down 23.4%. Now this is looking at quarterly data up to June 2023. And it has been a tight market in terms of stock. There isn't a lot of stock around and we are seeing those listings still falling. Time on market still a low 27 days. Dwelling values overall up 1.3%, and unit values up 1.3% also. 4.3% rental yield and vacancy rate sitting in a tight 1%, although as mentioned in last month's update, we are seeing a bit of a change in that rental market on the ground with less people attending open homes, less applications, and properties therefore sometimes taking a little bit longer to rent than they had been previously. Now, June was slightly busier than May, but the property market is much quieter, of course, than the pace we saw in 2022. As we said, listings down about 23%. Days on market sitting around 27 in Brisbane. Compared to this time last year when they were 17, that's obviously quite leisurely, but still a fairly brisk paced market, and that's often related to that lack of stock that we have there. Overall, the 3-month change in dwelling values up to the end of June 2023, dwelling values rose by 1.3%, and over the quarter, they rose by 3%. So we are seeing that sort of surge there in growth figures at the moment. And if we look at the past year, values have decreased by 8.2%. So we had that huge surge of growth a couple of years ago, and now things have pulled back in the last 12 months by 8%. If we look at house and unit values, now this data comes to us from the CoreLogic Market Trends report, where the data is up to March 31. So house values down 0.7% up to March 31. And I think as we'll see in the next few months as this data catches up, that we'll start to see that housing values turn back around into the positive, and unit values 1.3%. Rental yields at 4.3%, which is a very comfortable, nice yield in comparison to Melbourne and Sydney. And those vacancy rates are at 1%, as we mentioned earlier. Now, if you're looking to buy property in Brisbane, Moreton Bay City Council, Ipswich, Logan, or the Sunshine Coast, we are property experts and would love to help you. We've been doing this a long time, and we've got a great team on the ground here in Brisbane and on the Sunshine Coast. So don't hesitate to reach out and give us a call. Likewise, we have a great property management team and we'd love to help you as well. Take care. See you next time.